Welcome to Quick Bite, your fast and friendly Florida insurance update.
Hello. My name is Roshonda, agency owner of the Isom Insurance Group right here in the Sunshine State of Florida. Here for another Quick Bite episode, your fast and friendly Florida insurance update. Today is Friday. It's Friday, September the 5th, 2025. And we're diving into what it really takes to become a licensed insurance team member here in Florida. And here's some exciting news. Yay! The Isom Insurance Group is hiring an entry-level sales representative right now. So if you've ever thought about starting a career in insurance, this one's for you. So let's start with the big question. Why a career in insurance? Florida is one of the most active insurance markets in the country. Between auto, homeowners, flood, and life insurance, there's always a demand for knowledgeable professionals. And here's what makes it rewarding. It's a people-first business. You're helping families protect their homes, their cars, and their futures. Plus, no 2 days are ever the same. Oh, yes. One day you're solving problems, the next day you're guiding clients through coverage decisions, and every day you're building relationships that matter. All right, so let's break down the big question. How do you actually get licensed as an insurance agent in Florida? It all starts with basic requirements. You've got to be at least 18 years old, have a high school diploma or GED, and of course, be a Florida resident without any major disqualifying criminal history. Pretty straightforward. From there, it's time for pre-licensing education. And this is where you choose the path that fits your career goals. If you're starting in customer service, you're likely to go for the 440 customer representative license. If you want to handle auto, home, and property insurance, that's the 220 general lines license. And if you're interested in life and health coverage, things like annuities, Medicare supplements, and life insurance policies, you'll be looking at a 215 health and life license. Each of these requires an online classroom course, ranging anywhere from about 40 to 200 hours, depending on the license type. Once you've knocked out the coursework, the next step is the state exam. This test covers the essentials: insurance basics, Florida laws, ethics, and the different types of policies you'll be working with. Before you get that official approval, the state also requires a background check with fingerprinting through the Department of Financial Services. Finally, after you've passed and cleared everything, you'll submit your application on the DFS website. And here's the last piece of the puzzle. You need to be officially appointed by an agency like ours, the Isom Insurance Group, before you can start helping clients. So in short, education, exam, background check, application, and appointment. That's your roadmap. That's your roadmap to becoming licensed in Florida. Now, passing the exam is just one part of the journey. What really makes someone successful in this business comes down to your skills and mindset. First up, communication. Insurance can feel like a foreign language to most people. So the ability to break down policies down into plain, everyday terms is huge. In fact, surveys show that over 60% of customers choose to stay with an agent who explains things clearly, even if their price isn't the lowest. Then there's customer service. At the end of the day, this is a people business. Listening to client concerns and guiding them through solutions builds trust. Think about it this way. When someone has a car accident or their roof is damaged in a storm, you're not just handling paperwork. You're their lifeline in a stressful moment. Attention to detail is another big one. Policies can be complex, and the smallest error, like a wrong VIN number, can delay claims or even leave a client without coverage. Accuracy protects both the client and your reputation. Now, let's talk about the sales mindset. That doesn't mean being pushy. It means being confident and recommending the right protection. Did you know that agents who cross sell, for example, bundling auto and home, increase client retention by nearly 20%? That confidence directly translates into stronger customer relationships. And finally, you got to be tech friendly. Insurance today runs on quoting systems, CRMs, software, and digital tools. Whether you're comparing carriers, running reports, or texting updates to clients, comfort with technology isn't optional, it's essential. So, when you put all of that together, communication, customer service, detail, confidence, and tech, those aren't just boxes to check. They're the traits that help you stand out and build a long, successful career in this industry. So now, here's the exciting part. The Isom Insurance Group is looking for an entry-level sales representative right here in Lakeland, Florida. So for this position, there's no insurance experience required. We will walk you through the training and licensing. You'll learn to quote auto and home insurance, assist customers, and grow your own book of business. So if you're motivated, friendly, and ready to start a career with real growth, this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. How to apply? Please just send your resume to us by visiting the isominsurancegroup.com. So, if you've ever wondered what it takes to start a career in insurance, now you know. It's about education, licensing, and the drive to help people. And if you're ready to take the next step, again, the Isom Insurance Group would love to hear from you. That's all for today's quick bite. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a future episode. And remember, when it comes to protecting what matters most, we got you covered here at the Isom Insurance Group. Remember also, this video is for informational purposes only. Licensing requirements may change, so always verify details with the Florida Department of Financial Services and review your policy with a licensed insurance agent. I'll see you next time, and best of luck to anyone out there starting their insurance journey. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at isominsurancegroup.com.